what is the difference between a panniculectomy and a tummy tuck? So a panniculectomy is just removing skin that hangs over the waistline, and it's strictly just that skin that's hanging over. So there's no tightening, it's just getting rid of that extra skin. Whereas a tummy tuck, whether it be a full or mini tummy tuck, we're actually elevating the abdominal skin off your abdominal muscles and pulling it to get it tighter. Now, a good question in terms of insurance coverage. Your insurance may say they cover a panniculectomy. That does not mean they'll cover a tummy tuck or pay any money towards a tummy tuck. Also, just because you call your insurance and they say they'll cover a panniculectomy or a breast reduction, it may be covered under your insurance policy, but it doesn't mean that you qualify to have that done. So there's a lot of hoops you may have to jump through to qualify, and you may not qualify. The insurances are very selective as to who qualifies for a panniculectomy, and even pretty selective as to who qualifies for a breast reduction. But just remember, a panniculectomy is only addressing the little bit of overhanging skin, and it really, for those patients that develop rashes underneath, that have had massive weight loss, sometimes the insurance will pay for that, but not always.